If you're looking for a high protein, high fat recipe with low carbs or no grains in this case, then you're at the right video. Hi VivaFam, this is Richa from Coach Viva, and today I'm here with Heidi from Manifest Kitchen. Tell us a little bit about yourself.
My name is Heidi. I'm a trained chef and I love cooking good meals. Today we're making cauliflower fried rice with ground pork. Trim and peel your onion, dice it up and set aside. For your mushrooms, trim the fibrous stems off. Slice or roughly chop and set them aside. Trim the ends of your carrots. Dice them up and set them aside with your mushrooms as they will get sauteed at the same time. Trim your zucchini. Dice them up and set them aside in a third bowl for sauteing later. With your vegetables prepped, heat your oil in a large saute pan over medium-high heat. Add the onions and stir fry until translucent. Add the carrots and mushrooms and fry again until the mushrooms are cooked, about 3 to 5 minutes. Season with salt and pepper. Stir to combine. Add your zucchini and cook until just tender, about 3 minutes. Add the ground pork and break up and cook until well browned all over. Once the pork is cooked, add the soy sauce and sesame oil and simmer until the pan is dry. Stir in your cauliflower rice. Push the vegetables to the edges of the pan and make a space in the middle. Crack your eggs and begin to scramble. Once they're almost all the way cooked, stir them into the rest of the fried rice to combine. Serve immediately.
This was a part of our quick and healthy recipe series. The goal is that at the end of every 4 weeks, you have a complete breakfast, lunch, snack, and dinner recipes that take 5 ingredients or less, are very highly nutritious, and take 15 minutes or less of active time to make them. If you're looking forward to more in this series, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and also hit that bell icon so that you get a notification every time we drop a video. All right, until next time.